What's actually shaping the AI SaaS market right now? Not last quarter, not last month right now. Most founders and growth marketers are making content and campaign decisions based on gut feel or a newsletter they read 3 weeks ago. The trends they're acting on are already fading. What if you could get a live intelligence briefing, 4 trends, each scored by momentum and platform, with a strategic roadmap attached, in under 40 seconds? That's the trend discovery engine inside TurboAgents. Let me show you exactly how it works. Tell it your industry, your geography, and your target audience, and in under a minute, it comes back with a full structured briefing built on live search signals. The interface is 3 fields, that's it. First, industry. I'm typing AI SaaS. Be specific here. The more precise your input, the sharper the output. Second, geography. I'm keeping it global. This shapes how regional competition and platform relevance get weighted across the whole report. Third, target audience. I'm entering B2B founders and growth marketers. This is the lens the AI uses to make every insight relevant to the people you're actually trying to reach. Now I hit Initialize Briefing. The tool shows you exactly what it's doing as it runs. It's mining live signal clusters, calculating momentum trajectories, benchmarking which platforms each trend is hottest on, and modeling how engagement is likely to move over the coming weeks. About 40 seconds. And then the report lands. The first thing you see is the market sentiment, one sharp line that frames the entire briefing. The tool has identified that AI SaaS is no longer about selling software features. It's about guaranteeing automated business outcomes. That shift, from tools to outcomes, should be informing every piece of positioning content you create right now. On the right side, the platform relevance map. LinkedIn is scoring the highest for this audience, which tells you immediately where to put your distribution energy. TikTok and Instagram are relevant but secondary for B2B founders. That's a channel decision made in seconds. Now into the 4 trends, and these are the signals that matter most right now. The first trend is Agentic SaaS and autonomous workflows, and it's flagged as explosive momentum with a 96% impact score. This is the single hottest signal in the space right now. The shift happening is that B2B buyers are no longer evaluating software by features. They're asking what workflows it eliminates entirely. The tool even gives you a content angle ready to use. A LinkedIn carousel breaking down why pricing per outcome beats pricing per seat, because buyers now expect agents that run multi-step workflows without any human in the loop. The second trend is Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. Rising momentum, 92% impact. This is the emerging discipline of getting your brand cited inside AI search interfaces like Perplexity, ChatGPT, and Google AI Overviews, instead of fighting for traditional SEO rankings that fewer people are clicking on. The strategy the tool surfaces here is what it calls the ARC method. Audit your existing content, build Reddit presence, and improve citability, so AI models reference you organically. Third is security-led growth. Steady momentum, 85% impact, and it's peaking, so this is one to act on now before it saturates. The insight here is that cybersecurity messaging has been living in the IT department. The brands winning enterprise deals are the ones pulling zero trust into the top of their marketing funnel, making security a front-door conversation, not a legal footnote. And the fourth trend is community-led growth 2.0. Rising momentum, 88% impact. The story here is that pure product-led growth, the freemium and convert model, is plateauing. What's replacing it is the deliberate building of exclusive founder ecosystems, where peer validation and community belonging drive acquisition more effectively than any ad spend. And finally, the strategic action roadmap, 3 directives the tool has built from those 4 trends. First, shift your pricing narrative from seats to outcomes, because the agentic wave is making per-user pricing feel outdated to buyers. Second, start investing in generative engine optimization now, while the window is open and most of your competitors haven't caught on yet. Third, bring security and compliance into your top-of-funnel messaging. In a market flooded with AI wrappers, enterprise trust is your sharpest differentiator. One click on Export Doc, and the entire report downloads as a formatted Word document. Trends, charts, roadmap included. Ready to hand to your team or drop straight into a content brief. Think about what just happened. An hour of multi-tab research condensed into 40 seconds. 4 scored trends, a platform strategy, a content angle per trend, key voices to reference, and a 3-point strategic roadmap. But the more important point is timing. Trend 1, Agentic SaaS is explosive momentum with an emerging lifespan. That combination means you're still early. Act on it this week, and you're ahead of the curve. Wait a month and you're playing catch-up? That's the real value here. Not just saving time, but moving at the speed the market actually requires. The trend discovery engine is live now inside TurboAgents. If you're building a content strategy, running campaigns, or positioning a product, try it today. Link in the description. If this walkthrough was useful, subscribe. There are more tools to show you.